All right, here we go. And yeah.
Oh, hello, ma'am. We need to talk to you. Okay. I need you to come with me. No, we need you to come in the office, okay?
Okay, leave the car. Leave the car. Give it to him. Yep. Go in the office, please.
Okay. I need you to have a seat back here for me. Okay. No, have a seat for me in the back.
The back?
No, have
You
a
can
seat.
sit down.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Yeah. Do you have an ID on you?
ID?
Yeah, or driver's license, something.
What you need? What you need?
I need your ID.
You're being stopped with a suspicion of retail theft.
What?
Possible retail theft.
They have your
What you
receipt.
need?
That's all I need.
What?
That's all I need for right now. Just your ID, okay? Do you understand English pretty well or no?
No English.
No English?
No.
Just a little bit?
A little bit.
Okay. So you're being stopped right now, technically detained, which means you're not free to leave, okay, for a suspicion of retail theft. Do you know what that means? Like when you steal from a store? When you take something without paying?
No.
Okay, because there was a couple things on the video there.
No.
Okay.
No understand.
Back, you don't understand? Okay.
No.
See, I'm trying to get you understand. Trying to see how I can make you understand. What language do you speak? Like, what's your name?
Arabic.
Huh? Arabic?
Arabic, yeah.
Arabic?
What Arabic?
Okay, hold on.
No understand with me. No, I'm not Arabic. What you need? I don't know in the store on the receipt.
Yeah, 1 second.
Sirqi?
Yeah.
Oh, the receipt.
Hold on.
She said me in the 8 Mars, me in Chicago, not in here. She said coming in here. No. She said wallah, me in Chicago in 8 Mars, not in
Okay.
here. Coming in here in Eid Mubarak in my brother.
Okay.
No, in here me in Chicago.
Okay, we'll talk about it here in a second, okay? Just,
She said my Ramadan in Chicago, not here.
okay, hold on.
I said, okay, I need to talk in brother. She said, no, me, look in receipt, look in the story, to, only think at this thing. 1 minute. She said, I need the, it's okay, yeah.
Okay, so just
I
take a seat
need-
here.
Yeah, I need the manager. I need
Okay.
the manager. She said, no, 1 minute.
Well, that's the only reason why we're here.
She said, crazy.
Okay, well, just take a
Stop.
seat. Okay, just take a
No.
seat. Like I said, okay, and we'll
1
figure
minute.
this out.
No, 1
We'll figure
minute.
this out. She's saying she wasn't here. She was in Chicago.
That's not true. I've got her license plate if we need to confirm it. Same exact outfit here. It's the same car she pulled up in today.
Wow. Ma'am,
1 minute. Look.
is that your car?
No.
That's not your car. Can you go back to the picture of her?
It's also the same
Me?
clothes she was
Yeah. Can you go back to the...
me. In Hezbollah. This is the car in Hezbollah.
So that's not you?
Look.
Look at the date. 3/8/26.
No, not in here, in Chicago. No, in the first. And she said,
the
my
same
Arabic.
first two.
Yeah.
1 minute in Arabic, me everything in my Arabic. نفس
Okay.
t-shirt,
That's you,
in t-shirt, in hijab. My sister, look.
You're wearing.
What, 1 minute.
Okay, we're not
1
gonna...
minute.
Okay, listen, we're not
No,
gonna
no,
argue
1
this.
minute.
No,
Stop.
we're not
No,
doing this. No,
stop.
we're not doing
No,
this.
I
Turn
need-
around, put your hands behind your back.
No.
We're not doing this. Take this off.
No,
I'm not gonna do this
don't
with you.
touch.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
No,
I'm not gonna do this.
Don't touch.
Stop.
Don't touch. Don't touch, please. Don't touch, please. 1 minute.
No, we don't got 1 minute right
1
now.
minute. 1 minute. I need talk in brother. 1 minute. 1 minute.
You can talk to him from the county. You can call him all you want over
My
there.
baby. Me and baby in the home. I need talk.
I'm pretty sure you're not gonna leave him out there by himself. They'll let you
1
make phone
minute.
calls out there.
1 minute.
Come on, I'll take you out to my car.
1 minute. No,
Come on.
1 minute. I need to. In
Do you,
phone
do you,
me, 1
want,
minute.
do you want another charge for
Stop.
resisting?
I need talk
Do you want
in
another
brother.
charge for resisting?
What?
Do you want to get charged for resisting?
I don't
Then just
understand.
cooperate.
Understand.
Just cooperate. I'm gonna walk you out to my car.
What?
I'm gonna walk you out to my car. Okay? We're gonna talk out there.
No understand. I need him talk.
She seems to understand quite a bit, and I think she's just pulling the I don't understand card. But that's just me thinking out loud for you guys.
I need talk in the brother. Come in the brother. No me. No me. أي أساس أنتوا بتوقفوني. Stop. No me. She said والله no me. والله no me. In my sister in نفس in dress and نفس in the hair نفس in the shawl. Stop. Don't touch. Don't touch. Please don't touch.
Stop.
Don't touch. Don't touch. No, no.
Do you want to
stop.
come or not?
Okay, I need to
I will
go.
force you out.
talking,
I will
brother.
force you
I
out.
need
You're not gonna
talking,
make me.
brother.
Nope.
What?
Nope.
No.
No, it's not what
She
you
say,
want.
Wallah.
I don't
Wallah,
care.
I'm
Let's go.
coming in Palestine.
Let's
One
go.
minute, please. One minute, please. What you need? You need money? I need. She say, Wallah, no me. Who say, Wallah, no me? I'm coming in Palestine, in Chicago, no in here.
Oh, there you are. There we go.
You trying to fight?
No, in
Well,
no
come on,
me.
let's go.
She say no,
Come on,
please.
ma'am, please. You're gonna make
Get
this
out.
No,
Ma'am.
You're gonna pick up charges. Get out.
Okay, I need to talk in brother. I need to talk in brother.
No, we're not doing that right now. I told you no.
I need to talk in brother, please. No in number. No in.
Take a seat.
In
No, I haven't checked her yet.
You got anything on you?
No, in the car. I need to talk in brother.
You don't need to talk to anybody right now. Alright, listen.
So she was saying that she wasn't here, that she was in Chicago. It's like, hey, do you remember being here? Marsha? She goes, no, I was in Chicago, something about Ramadan, whatever. So dude had like the video up of her car, like, wait, is that your car? She was like, no, it's not my car. It's like, he was like, dude, that's the same car she walked in with. Then he pulled up a whole picture of her with the same outfit. And I was like, so that's not you? She said, no, that's not me. Okay, I'm not fucking doing this with you, dog. I'm not. Her purse is in there, her wallet, and her phone. I had to take it away from her because I was like, we're not doing this with you. And then she kind of tried to like resist a little bit, but I'm not gonna charge her.
This cop had enough. It was like good cop, bad cop, and then bad cop's just like, I'm done.
She doesn't understand. I'm gonna try to read her rights.
Okay.
See if she wants to talk. Probably won't.
We talk that over, and is this under or over?
18 and 14, enter to Tilted 10 at the mall by the bowling alley.
You'll be able to call them from Peoria County. You'll be able to call them from Peoria County.
Please, 1 minute in my husband, please. No, close the door.
No, I'm gonna talk to you out there so you can hear me better. Cause no, it's not gonna be the way you want it, okay? It's not gonna be the way you want it, okay? Okay. How well is your English?
Me in English?
Yeah, how well is it?
In English? No, speak in English.
Okay,
good.
so here's the thing. Okay, we're gonna use Google Translate, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, give me 1 second.
She say, Wallah, no me. Wallah, say me. No. She say, in bag, in a receipt with me, and in story with me. Wait, why? What?
Okay, I'll explain it to you, okay? Well, this is how we do things, okay?
What you need?
So, you have the right to remain silent.
With
Okay,
me
hold on.
look in
Do
my
you
sock.
do you want to do this? Yes or no?
1 minute, 1 minute.
No, we need to do this now. There is no 1 minute. We need to do this. Can I do this now?
1 minute,
No.
please.
Okay, I'm done.
Me in
No,
the
no,
doctor.
it's fine.
Did you tell her I needed to take a picture or two?
Oh,
That trespass is also lifelong. It won't be able to be taken away.
okay. You go.
No in picture. No with me in picture. No.
Okay, well they have you
No, I
video.
need picture. No.
She doesn't want to do the
She
picture.
say, no, I need picture. No.
No picture?
No
Sure.
picture.
That's fine. We got pictures.
She's my Muslim. No picture.
Okay.
Do you know what a trespass is?
No understand.
Okay, I bet.
What you need?
A trespass? Do you know what a trespass is?
No. No understand.
Hold on. I'm gonna give her the Google definition. I want to get this wrong.
No. Look in a receipt. No. No. Anything. Money. Me in go in Palestine. Not coming in America. Me?
Mhm.
Why?
You didn't want to talk. You didn't want to let me read you Miranda warning. So
Why?
I tried to explain that to you, but you wouldn't let me. So that's the reason. Okay. You need anything else for her?
Nope.
No? Okay. I already explained her she's being arrested for 2 separate incidents of retail theft. So, what was the other one? You guys have the receipt for that one?
The old one or this one?
This one.
This one,
The one was 420.80. And it was, what was it? Just merchandise?
Yeah.
I'll just do
Basically clothing.
merchandise.
Okay, so this one's going to be 2 separate receipts because the tomatoes had to be rung up separately. So one of them is 142.92
So, second one is 142.92
plus 7.49.
plus 7.49.
Today, 7.49.
Well, no, 142 plus the 7.49.
Oh, so under today.
So retail theft under and retail theft over.
So I could just add it up and then we don't have to like have it separate.
Oh, you know what? I'm wrong. I took the wrong total.
You stole from Walmart.
Oh,
You
it's good here.
understand that?
No, she said.
You take from Walmart, not paying it.
You want to show her this? Hopefully I said that right. They're going to refund her money back. That's what she paid for today.
Yeah.
Okay.
You understand this?
You need money?
I don't need money. But you understand this?
They're going to refund you your money. Like, give you money back.
We need money. No, it's okay.
No. Okay, see, I was told her I would try to read her Miranda warning and stuff, but she wouldn't.
She's saying, do we need money?
No,
And I was like, no, we don't need money. Transporting also you?
Yeah, I'll transport her.
On the receipt, it shows 93.16. I gave her 93.20.
Okay.
So just
Okay.
for reference.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
To the Peoria County Jail.
Yeah.
Because that's where we take criminals.
What?
That's where we take people that are under arrest. I'm sorry, because you're innocent until proven guilty, so I can't really call her a criminal. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's where we take people that we have probable cause to make an arrest that need to be incarcerated.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's too big of
I don't know how to say it.
you jail. Cool? I just kind of explained to her, and we watched her on the camera as she stole, skip scan.
Okay.
Getting arrested and going to jail tonight.
10-4, around your post for the female.
16, starting mileage 243.
13. 10-7, 13.
What's up, buddy? She supposedly doesn't understand English, but
Oh, I'm so glad they got her at the booking footage.
whatever.
Does she understand?
Arabic.
Hello.
Well, she stole back in March $420 worth of stuff from Walmart, and today she tried to walk up with like $130 worth of stuff. They recognized her from last time, so they called us.
My Muslim.
What's that?
Yeah, no. She said haram.
She can't do that because she's Muslim. She has to have
Don't
that
touch.
on.
I need in women. No man. No man.
If
I
you
need
didn't want
woman.
me touching you, you
my
shouldn't have
Muslim.
shoplifted.
Don't
You
touch.
understand me?
Just
Yes,
yeah.
me, my Muslim.
I understand.
You.
I'm treating you the same way that I do everybody
no,
else.
No, I need you.
Ma'am,
touch.
just
I need
relax.
woman.
Just
No, I need
relax.
man.
Okay, then don't shoplift.
No, me, my Muslim. This is haram. Don't touch, please. I need no woman.
There's women in there, but here, police, no. But we have to search you though. Make sure you don't have nothing else.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I need in this.
She wants the hoodie on because of her religion. She has to have her hair covered.
They're gonna have you take it off anyway. Have a seat right here, please.
I got you. I'm right here.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
In the end, Dina Owesa, 28, was arrested and transported to Peoria County Jail on a retail theft charge, tied to $138.61 in unpaid merchandise recovered by the store.
Wow. Okay, that was this woman was.
Thank you. To the Peoria County Jail.
This woman was great. I want to talk about the beginning a little bit because I kind of skipped the beginning, just because there's not any audio here. But the first couple seconds, it wasn't even a lot. You see the cops in the asset protection office watching her steal. That's why they confronted her in the hallway there where she was leaving with the cart. Like they watched her do it. Like they watched her in real time. There was nothing denying her. Like there's no way she could deny it. Like they watched it. They watched it happen. And Walmart had it on the video from the previous theft that this woman did. And just remember that, guys. Like Walmart's always watching. So if you think, "Oh, I got away with it. I got away with it." No, you didn't. They remember you. They have the footage of you stealing. And they will use it against you when you steal again. A lot of times they wait for a certain dollar amount in whatever state it is, and then they will call the cops while you're in the store and say, "This guy steals from us. We got him on camera. Let's get him." And they are fucking good, guys. They are good at it. So yeah, think again if you're going to steal from a store like Walmart. Like, look at the fucking cameras that they have. They're so sophisticated. Don't do it, is what I'm saying. Don't fucking do it. Um, Walmart is, it's not worth it. It's not worth, they're watching you. They're watching everybody. Um, but yeah, if you don't steal, good for you, man. Good for you. Good. All power to you. I don't steal. It's not fucking worth it. If I'm gonna steal, it's not. I'm not gonna go to jail for a couple $100 theft at Walmart. I'm gonna make it worth my while. Uh, but yeah, don't fucking steal is what I'm saying. All right. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.